we've done some jobs where they were trophy hunters. So we were able
I think we
to.
have pictures from that.
Yeah, we were
too.
able to. There you go. This was just an incredible. And the biggest thing was knowing where we were going to put the trophy heads because they were so heavy. We had to put blocking, or I think one wall we just put 3/4 plywood up so they can have growth to just screw into the plywood. And like the one over the fireplace, that had to have special blocking. So this one was right in the beginning. We're like, where are we going to put the heads? And then the height we wanted to. This one, we only built soffits in certain area because of the height. We had to get because of the horns. We needed the full 9-foot ceiling, so we were limited on how we had to do the ductwork. So this was we really had to stretch our brains to think about mechanically. Because typically, mechanically, we don't have to worry. But this one was just, it was great. Now, this one had a, I think it was a birch floor. No, excuse me, it was walnut.
Yeah.
And this was a true hardwood 7 or 8 inch, 6/8 walnut over plywood. So this one was just.
Can you see the fireplace from the other side?
I believe it's a see-through. Yes, I believe it is. I believe it is a see-through.
I love those. Are you seeing those still? Are they popular?
In a basement that has it, yes, but we're not putting them in a basement.
Okay.
Now it's sleek, long, electric.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just for ambiance.
Yeah.
So, matter of fact, the basement we're doing now, I don't have pictures yet, but is just a sleek fireplace, more of a modern look.
Yeah.
This is the style of that one. So, and sometimes you can mix both, but this fireplace was there. Same stone. This is another bar with the full wine fridge versus a little wine fridge. You know, they had the full wine fridge, great tall bar stools, lighting, and just fun, entertaining.
This is beautiful. Now, a lot of dark cabinetry we're seeing here. Are you seeing that everybody wants the light cabinetry now?
If it's kitchens, yes, but bars. Yeah. Like a true bar is dark.
Oh, still okay.
Still dark, yes.
Good.
But if it was more of a kitchenette, then it would be lighter. But definitely a bar
there's something that's very classic and to me just, I don't know, just elegant about those dark bars and everything. Yeah, so I'm glad they're still sticking around for that.